I find that other honorable members who do not happen to be lawyers keep on advancing such attractive arguments that we get charmed and we keep on listening, and particularly when those honorable members happen to be lady members and they make such beautiful speeches. Then the house goes on and on, and half an hour discussion may become half a month discussion. So, what I was saying was, I got these figures worked out, but I found that by applying this yardstick of 650 cases per judge, the following is the requirement. We know that in these high courts, so many cases were instituted in 1986. What would be the normal strength which would be able to cope with as many cases which are being instituted every day as would get disposed of the same day, so that would not go on increasing. In fact, there would be a decrease in the what would be the strength and what would be the strength when the on decreasing. I found you need extra strength for all be working out at 650 cases per judge. The Karnataka High Court, the sanctioned strength is 14 permanent and 3 additional. The total by applying this yardstick of 650 cases per judge, the number of cases which were instituted in the High Court in 1986 would require 33 judges. Whether they are permanent or additional, that does not make any difference, because that is only a matter of approach. Otherwise, they dispose of the same quantity of work. So, a strength of 33 judges would be required to keep peace with the institutions every day. If you want to, the first of all, the strength of 17 must be raised to 33. Moreover, you will have to have some extra strength in order to clear the backlog. It's a question of calculation how many judges you should have for how many years in order to clear the backlog, by which time that the backlog would be cleared. For clearing the backlog, some extra strength would be required. And now it is true that before the Constitution was enacted, most of the high courts, except some, did not have this very useful writ jurisdiction. Government did was final, because so many acts were passed with the result, right or wrong, whatever the government did or said became final.